I know myself, and it's a possibility that I'm probably gonna get like depressed. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Maryelin, and for today's video I thought we would do a get ready with me, kind of like life update, you know, just general, like, you know, my goals, school update. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about how I got hypnotized, you know, a lot of information fit into one video. If you guys are interested in knowing about that stuff, make sure to keep on watching. Make sure to leave comments of, you know, what content you guys want to see. I did do a poll on my Instagram a few days ago asking if you guys wanted a Valentine's Day tutorial or a get ready with me, and even though the Valentine's Day tutorial won, it's better for me to do the get ready with me now and leave the Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for next week. So I'm gonna do that. I did listen to you guys. If I do another poll, make sure you guys are following me on my social medias. I will have them linked down in the description box. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, on my Twitter, on my Snapchat. Make sure to add me everywhere. But yeah, that's it for now. I think I said everything that I had to say. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm gonna prime like I always do. I'll have the products listed down in the description box, because this is you know, a get ready with me, so I'm not really gonna have time to be naming every single product, so I'll just type it. But yeah, fun fact, I actually hate this primer. But I am trying to run out of all of my products that test on animals, so that one gotta go. And I'm also gonna mix it with this one, same brand. What has been going on in my life since my last get ready with me, which technically was my first video back in October. To start off, I am still sick. So right now I'm in my second semester of university. I'm having a hard time this semester in general. I don't know, I'm just I'm not trying to exaggerate, but I'm very sensitive, I guess, when it comes to stuff like this. I feel like it can become a problem for me maybe in the future, because if I see myself struggling a lot in school, I know myself, and it's a possibility that I'm probably gonna get like depressed or something. And I was telling my mom, and she doesn't want me to be struggling, especially since I'm pretty far from like my whole family is not with me right now. She doesn't want me to be struggling on my own. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe things get better or I drop out. Honestly, it's not just because I feel this way right now. Even when I was younger, I just remember my whole family would like look at me weird because they would ask me like, oh, what are you gonna do when you graduate from high school? And I was like, I don't know, like I don't want to go to college. And then here I am now, and you know, this semester is really making me like reflect back on what I said as a child, because you know, college is not for everyone, and I don't know if, you know, that includes me. I don't know, I really don't. What else? As for a ghost update or whatever, there hasn't been much activity going on. What the fuck? There's like a few noises that we hear like every other day, but we don't really mind it anymore. We realized that the more attention we were giving the issue, the more paranoid we became, or like the more stuff that we would hear. So now it's like we hear things and it's just like, okay, whatever, like, stay out of my way. I stay out of your way, you stay out of mine. That's it. I think aside from like the fact that my music sometimes still just like randomly stops playing, the first time I think I told you guys that it was the volume, that it would lower and go back up, and then a couple of weeks ago I was in the shower and the music just completely stopped playing, and I had a full battery on my speaker and my phone was at like 80-something%, and the music just stopped playing, like it paused. And it wasn't the internet connection or anything, literally just went by. Ooh, I got an eye booger. Oh my god, she's in there. Okay, I got it. The cool thing that happened a couple weeks ago, I believe, my university had this hypnotist come in, and you know, a bunch of students went, like it was open to like the whole school or whatever, and I went up on stage, and I'll probably post like a few pictures. But yeah, it definitely worked. It was so weird. You're in control, but at the same time, the hypnotist can tell you what to do when you just, I mean, you have to be willing to do it, you know? It was super cool. It was a cool experience. It wasn't dangerous. I remember at some point I started even crying. I would like to take a moment and apologize. If I look like I just woke up, it's because I did. So about a week ago, Natalia and I drove down to visit our family for the weekend, and she got her eyebrows microbladed and they came out nice. Like, I actually really like them. And on her way out of the place where she, you know, she got them done, we had to get on the highway to get back to my place. We're on the highway and the car driving in the lane next to ours, she swerved. It was so close to hitting us, and it was crazy because I was on my phone. Natalia's mom was when driving, and it was the craziest thing ever because she saw the car, and honestly I probably wouldn't have. It was just so, it was really scary. That's like the closest I've ever gotten to like such a bad car accident. Like, I just remember I was like shaking the whole ride home. It was gonna be a really bad car crash because the thing is that the lady swerved because she wanted to get on the lane that we were in, but I guess she didn't check her blind spot, which is totally her fault, not ours, and she almost hit us. We almost got into the nastiest car crash, and this lady was like, yeah, cool, okay. Also, have you guys seen my freaking shirt? It's a PJ shirt that me and Natalia got. There was a store closing down in the mall, and they were having a sale which was like 80% off everything, and we were like, what? We're like, oh, let's go check it out, and we walked out with like 8 items each. You're joking. I remember I got so happy because there was this one shirt I wanted, but I didn't have a price tag. So I was like, oh, whatever, like, we'll see what we do at the front. And then I get to the front, and the lady literally just sees that there's no tag, and she just puts it in the bag, and she didn't charge me for it. And I was like... So yeah, if you're watching this video, girl from Paxson, shout out to you, girl. Shout out to you. You came through, man. Ooh, my feet are falling asleep. Hold up. Oh my god, I just dropped my eyeshadow. Okay, no, she's good. She's good. She's good. What should I do with my eyes? Also, I have an Ipsy subscription bag, like a monthly thing or whatever, and I receive 5 products every month, whatever, and then like you review them, and like, yeah, I get a lot of good products actually. Like, I've fallen in love with many of the products that they've sent me. I've been a member already for like a year and a few months. I believe I started in October 2016, and then this month it said I received my bag on the 16th, and when I went to check the 16th, it wasn't there, and I was like, oh, whatever, it's running late. I was checking every day until like the 21st, and I had to send an email because I didn't receive it, and I was like, hey, I'm sorry, I didn't receive my bag this month. Is there any way that I can get like a refund, or if you guys can send another one? And I felt bad because, you know, maybe I did receive it and some from my building stole it or something, but I was really disappointed because I was excited about the products that were coming this month. I sent them an email, and they were so nice in their, you know, response. They pretty much told me that they were gonna send me another one to confirm my address, and I did, and the package, I'm pretty sure it's like on its way, but yeah, I'm trying to run out of these colors. Like, I'm trying to hit pan so bad because they do test on animals. I learned about animal testing about a couple of months ago. I didn't know what it was. I was really stupid. I mean, I still am, and I didn't know that there were brands that tested on animals. I did my research, and I don't know, it really upset me when I found out that a lot of companies test on animals, and I was like, I don't want to stand for that. Like, I don't support that. I'm crying. Sorry. Dude, I look like someone punched me. Definitely something that I forgot to mention is that my music taste has definitely taken a shift. There was like 2 friends that I had in high school that really enjoyed Korean pop, and they're like, oh my god, you should totally listen to it. And my ignorant ass was like, and I don't know how the it started. I don't know, they went to some award show, right? I'm talking about BTS, and everybody was flipping shits because they were in America, and I was like, dude, like, what's the big deal? Like, I was that bitch. Then they went on Ellen, and for shits and giggles, I was like, okay, whatever, let me see the interview. And I'm not gonna lie, I was laughing. I was like, oh yeah, whatever, like, they're cool. And then they went on James Corden, and that is like my spirit animal. And I was like, whatever, let's try music wise, right? So here went Innocent Marjolin. It all just went downhill from there. I listened to a few songs and I was like, oh they're up to something. I really like their music. Dude, lashes literally make or break an eye look. I thought it was gonna be darker. Oh my gosh. This is literally the worst lip combo ever. I'm trying to use up all my lipsticks that test on animals. Honestly, I'm just gonna leave it at this. I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. My lash is like coming off. My left eyelash is like so droopy today. What's going on, baby? What's going on? I think I finished. I would fix my hair, but honestly, I'm too sick, too tired, too hungry, so I'm not gonna do it. I still love y'all though. That's all for today's video. That was my little get ready with me kind of like life update pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye guys.